Here is the linear equation we are asked to solve. 5 times x plus 2 equals 3 times x plus 7. Solving means isolating x on one side with a number on the other. Let's do this step by step. To keep the equation balanced, we make the same change to both sides. The right side has 3 times x. To collect the x terms on one side, subtract 3 times x from both sides. That gives 2 times x plus 2 equals 7. The plus 2 keeps 2 times x from standing alone. Subtract 2 from both sides to remove it. That gives 2 times x equals 5. Two is multiplying x. To leave x alone, divide both sides by 2. That gives x equals 2.5. Quick check. Substitute 2.5 for x. Both sides equal 29/2, so the equation balances. So, x equals 2.5.